Hey, how's it going? Vladimir Donis here. So hey, today I'm coming to you with day 3 of my 30-day video challenge. And today I want to talk about Facebook ads customer path. Now the customer path is very important. You have to map out your customer path before you go and run any ads inside of Facebook. In my previous videos, I talked about 2 different paths. The first path that I talked about is the lead generation path. Meaning that the first thing that you want that individual to do is to become a lead. You need to have that path completely mapped out. The second path is if you want to sell a low ticket item. Low ticket, that's a relative term. So in the price range of say $7 to $37. I've talked about those different paths. The path that I want to talk about today, I call it a mid-tier path. And the reason why I call it a mid-tier path is that what you can do with this specific path is that you can send someone to what we call a video sales letter if you're selling something. Let's just say it's in the price range of say between $100 to $400. So if you map that out, you want to go ahead and map that out ahead of time because you want to know exactly the path that you want to go ahead and take that individual to. So you can go ahead and take that individual through to your landing page. That person arrived to your landing page. You have 2 options when that person arrives to your landing page. Option number 1 is you can go ahead and collect the lead first. After you collect the lead, then you send that person to what we call the video sales letter. The video sales letter is for if you're selling something between $100 to $400, or you can go ahead and or you can go ahead and just have that person watch that video sales letter right away. Again, this is a path that you have to think about before you start to kind of just think about running your Facebook ads. And for the video sales letter, one of the questions that I had gotten, I was doing something similar to this the other day. One of the things that the individual asked me is what works from a video sales letter standpoint. There's just so many things that you can do from a video sales letter standpoint. So I'm going to kind of just keep it very high level. If you're doing a video sales letter, here are some of the components and here are some of the things that you need to consider when delivering a video sales letter. So you have to think about your audience. So for your audience, what is their goal? What are they trying to accomplish? So if I'm speaking to an individual or a group of individuals and I know that their goal is to use video marketing, that is their goal. So that's their goal. If that is their goal, then the next question you have to be able to answer is what is stopping them? Right? So if you can articulate precisely what it is that's stopping them, when that person's begin to consume your content, they're going to say, okay, you know what? This person understands me. So you need to be able to talk about exactly what is stopping them. Are they overwhelmed? What exactly is the issue? You need to be able to also future pace. What is future pace? You need to be able to talk about what their future is going to be like. So, hey, after you learn how to do this video marketing thing, you're going to be able to generate leads on demand. So talk about whatever their future is, and then talk about other things that they've tried. Perhaps they've tried to read books. Perhaps they tried YouTube. Perhaps they've tried other methodologies that just haven't worked. And when you do those different things, when you incorporate all of those different things inside of your video sales letter, the person that's consuming that content is going to say, you know what, this person understands me. So because this person understands me, this person understands the problem that I'm trying to solve. So let me go ahead and consider moving forward. Then let me go ahead and consider buying their solution. So that's the path that I want to talk to you about today. It's just a straight video sales letter that sells a product, and that product could be between $100 to say $500. That's what I usually see in my industry. By the way, if you need help with this type of stuff, later today at 7 p.m. Eastern time, I am hosting a how to grow your business using Facebook ads workshop. It's a virtual workshop. I'm going to leave a link somewhere on this page. You can go ahead and use that link and sign up to join this specific workshop. We're going to go over how to grow your business using Facebook ads. Again, there's going to be a link somewhere on this page. Click on that link and the link is going to allow you to sign up for the workshop where we go in a lot more deeper, via this stuff. And we're going to have a component that's going to allow me to engage and to answer all of your questions. You're gonna come to the workshop with questions as it relates to, okay, how do I grow my business with Facebook ads? What do I do? All of these different things that you may be thinking about. And my goal is to make sure that you leave that workshop knowing exactly how to grow your business using Facebook ads. That's it for this episode. I'll catch you on the next one.